Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Apurva and this vlog is super close to my heart. I recently explored the gorgeous country Georgia in April and let me tell you, it was a dreamy mix of snow, sunshine, history, nature and absolute chill vibes. So grab your coffee and let's rewind this magical journey together. We kicked off our trip wandering through old Tbilisi town with its cobblestone streets, pastel colored houses, wooden balconies, decoration with flowers, and it felt like stepping back in time. One of the best experiences here was the boat ride on the Kura River. Floating between historic buildings and modern architectures with the breeze on your face, you see Tbilisi from a whole new world. And of course, no visit to Tbilisi is complete without its iconic churches. Their golden domes and hilltop view make the city skyline unforgettable, spiritual, peaceful, and so photogenic. And then there's the famous Peace Bridge. By day, it was modern. Standing on the bridge, watching the reflection on the river was one of the perfect travel moments. Later, we headed to the Chronicles of Georgia, a grand, almost mythical monument that tells Georgia's story through these giant sculpted pillars. Standing up there, overlooking the entire city, feel so powerful and peaceful. Our adventure to Kazbegi began with a road trip through Georgia's dramatic mountain routes, and honestly, every turn looked like a painting. Our first stop was the beautiful and stunning Zinvali Reservoir. The water here was such a beautiful shade of blue, it almost looked unreal. Surrounded by hills, it's one of those spots where you just want to sit, breathe, and soak it all in. Next, we explored Ananuri Fortress. The ancient stone walls placed right above the river felt like stepping into a medieval story. It was fascinating to imagine the history these walls have seen. And just as we reached Kadauri, the most magical thing happened. It started snowing, snowflakes falling from the sky, covering the mountains and roads. When we reached the Russia Georgia Friendship Monument, also known as Peace Wall, it had started snowing heavily. The entire place was wrapped in white, and the chill in the air made the moment even more surreal. The bright murals on the walls stood out so beautifully against the snowy backdrop, telling stories of history while nature painted its own white canvas around us. The cold wind, the snowfall, and the endless valleys around us made it feel otherworldly. It was freezing, but honestly, one of the most magical stops of the whole trip. We drove higher, the snow got heavier, and by the time we reached Kazbegi, it was a full on winter wonderland. Everything around us blanketed in snow. We stayed at the stunning Rooms Hotel Kazbegi, and honestly, it felt like something straight out of a luxury travel magazine. The moment you step in, you are wrapped in warmth, rustic wooden interiors, leather couches, and the smell of firewood lingering in the air. Our room had this insane view of Mount Kazbek. I literally woke up to misty peaks and snowfall right outside our window. I could have stayed curled up under the blanket with hot coffee forever. We visited the iconic Trinity Church. It was standing tall against the snowy backdrop. Cold hands, warm heart, and a moment I will never forget. Last, to move out from Kazbegi, we took a cable car up the mountain, gliding through misty air and snow-covered forest. The silence, the chill, the views, just pure magic it was. Next up was Martivili Canyon, and guys, this place is unreal. Thick tropical green canyons, crystal clear water, tiny waterfalls, and even a boat ride through the gorge. I felt it was Georgia's secret paradise. When we reached Batumi, I was expecting a beachy sunny vibe, but nature had other plans. It was raining and quite chilly, which gave the whole city a very different dramatic mood. Even in the rain, the Batumi's botanical garden was stunning. The mist between the trees and the raindrops on flowers and those moody sea views made it feel so romantic and raw. Since the weather was chilly, we spent more time indoors sipping hot coffee in little cafe, listening to the rain tapping on the windows. Sometimes trip surprises you and instead of sun and sand you get cozy rainy day memories. One of the most unique spots, Prometheus Cave. Inside it was like nature's underground palace, massive formations, sparkling stalactites and magical lighting everywhere. It was cold, echoey and I could not stop looking around. Each chamber felt like another world. On our last day, I went on a mini shopping spree at East Point Mall. From bags, trending jackets to skincare essentials, this place had everything. Later, I treated myself to the ultimate spa evening sauna, jacuzzi, heated swimming pool. I just melted into relaxation mode. And yes, I became obsessed with fresh Georgian berries. They were super juicy and so perfect after a spa soak. And here's something really fun I tried in Georgia, wine ice cream. Yes, you heard it right. Georgia is famous for its wines and they have even turned it into a dessert. This trip to Georgia has given me everything: snow, sun, sea, mountains, history and peace. I left with full heart, glowing skin and way too many memories. Thank you for coming along on this journey. If you enjoyed watching this video, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment and don't forget to subscribe for more travel stories.